Staying organized could be easier when you use some of the digital tools available for smartphones and computers.
But quite often you find you've saved some notes in one app, you keep in a calendar in another, and that list just goes on and on. But our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker has found one app that he says does it all.
I'm guilty of this. I keep dates on multiple calendars, I save notes on multiple apps, and I use ChatGPT for a lot of things. I should be organized. Truth is, everything's scattered all over my phone. Well, this app called Notion pulls everything together, and I mean everything.
Notion is part note taker, part project manager, part calendar, and part, well, anything else you can think of. Create to-do lists, plan trips, save web articles, and manage emails. You can also create calendars for anything, save contacts, recipes, receipts, all of it searchable. One handy feature is templates. You can track financing, create resumes, and take meeting notes, and most templates are free. They do it all. There's also an AI tool that you may find helpful. I asked Notion for ideas for a boy's birthday party. Not only gave me suggestions, but built an entire plan. What I'd need, how long each step would take, even snack ideas, and an award ceremony. And everything stays organized in one place. Notion can replace multiple apps. There's a learning curve and you can upgrade to premium features, but the free version is about all most people need.
It is an amazing app for those of us who are so organized we're unorganized. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Notion is the app of the day.